Let us discuss about units and the system of units. So, what is units? Suppose I ask you that here is a rod and measure its length. So, you will take a meter scale and measure its length. Let us suppose its length is 5 meter. So, what is 5 here and what is meter here? So 5 is the numerical value of this length and this meter symbolize that it is length. Suppose take an example, if I write here 5, only 5. So what is the meaning of 5? If we talk about in terms of physical quantity, so this 5 may be length, it may be mass, it may be time, it may be temperature, it may be force, anything. But if I write 5 then meter, 5 then meter is the unit of length. So means कि this 5 meter is denoting length. So what is unit? So let us see. Units are nothing but the standard. Units are nothing but the standard used for the measurement of that quantity. है ना? Units are nothing but a standard used for the measurement of a physical quantity called unit. For example, length is equals to 5 meter. So 5 meter, here meter is nothing but unit. Next, we are discussing about system of units. System of units. What is the system of units? So we have generally 4 system of units. First one is FPS system, next one is CGS system, then MKS system, and then SI system. So first of all, let us discuss what is system. So system is the set or collection, set or collection of fundamental and derived unit. Like there are some fundamental units. Units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. Units of fundamental quantities are called fundamental units. So there is a set of units of fundamental quantities. So this set or the collection of fundamental and derived unit is called system of units. For example, first system is our FPS system. FPS system. Here F represent the length. Means length is measured in terms of foot, or we can say that feet. Next one is mass. Mass is measured in pound. Suppose we visit a shop and ask for a cake that is 1 pound, 2 pound, and so on. So mass is measured in terms of pound. Then it's time. Time is measured in terms of second. Then temperature. There is no such unit of temperature in FPS system. Next one is current. So there is no such unit of current. Next comes to CGS. Here C represent centi, Z represent gram, and S represent second. So length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second. Similarly, there is no such unit for temperature and current. So that unit in which length is measured in centimeter, mass is measured in gram, and time is measured in second, called CGS system. Next one is our MKS system. MKS. Here M represents meter, K represents kg, and S represents time, second. So length is measured in terms of meter, mass is measured in terms of kg, and time is measured in terms of second. So this system of units is known as MKS system. Next, SI system, about which we are knowing today's, है ना. आज जितने भी यूनिट्स के बारे में हम जानते हैं वो सभी के सभी कहीं ना कहीं SI यूनिट्स हैं. सो SI मीन्स सिस्टम इंटरनेशनल सिस्टम ऑफ यूनिट्स that is globally accepted. For example, for length we use meter, for mass we use kg, for time we use second, for temperature we use Kelvin, for current we use ampere, for amount of substance we use mole, for intensity of light we use candela, and so on. And for derived quantities also. So these all are about units and the system of units. So thanks all for the day.